Hot on the web. We've all done it. Sat in front of the computer and sorted through pages and pages of Google results. Well, there is an easier way, whether you're searching for your dream vacation or an old friend. It's called Pipl.com. That's P-I-P-L. Type in a name and it'll automatically create a summary, grabbing all the info it can find online. Zoom Info and Jigsaw work the same way, only their focus is more business-oriented. In computer speak, they're called vertical search engines, a relatively new tier in internet searching. And here's where vertical search engines really shine. Unleash your inner chef with RecipeBridge.com. The site can find any recipe available online, like pickled jalapenos or deviled crab souffle. And don't stop there. Accompany that meal with Snooth.com. Thousands of wines rated by age and price and Snooth rank. All wines are available for purchase too. And if an old friend, a good meal, and a glass of wine don't cut it, maybe a vacation will do the trick. And Kayak.com is more than willing to do the dirty work. Now, it won't book your ticket, but it will search more than 200 sites to find the vacation you're looking for without breaking the bank. And with sites like Deal Time, Frugal, and My Simon, online shopping accounts for a huge number of these vertical search engines as well. There really is a site for just about every one of your interests. For a link to the sites we've featured, plus some others, you can click on the links section of our website, abc2news.com.